Le ncwadi ngeyokuqala nethengisa ubuthaphuthaphu ezitolo ezidayisa izincwadi. Icacisa ngomehluko phakathi kwenkolo jikelele nenkolo yabantu base-Afrika namaqhaza ehlukene enkolo yama-Afrika. Ibhalwe ngumsunguli we-African Hidden Voices, imboni uZwilezwe Hadebe. Abebehambele umcimbi bathi le ncwadi ihlinzeka ngesikhalo ezanele ukwazi ngokuthi singobani singama-Afrika ukuze ingavezwa ngendlela engeyona inkolo kanye nomlando wethu.
The book is a step in the right direction in the context of defining who we are, because many a times you find that the conversation is centered around who we are not, but there is nothing that defines who we actually are.
We have to return to our roots and the people who know who we are, where we come from, what is our purpose in life, what is our destiny. Our spiritual guides like Imboni, Hadebe and others.
So now we're at the point where we're redefining our journeys, especially the spiritual journey. Hence this book is an introduction to African Indigenous Spirituality.
Incwadi an Introduction to African Indigenous Spirituality iphinde icacise ngenkolo nenkolelo ebidukisa ngemoya ebilokhu ikhona kule minyaka edlule.